The Southwest Garo Hills Chess Association, pynlong Jingiakop Open Inter-School District Chess Championship, St. Mary's School, Ghatgre, Mukdangra, Rerapara C&RD Block. Yakane Jingiakop kyrshan but jinglut the State Council of Science, Technology but Environment. Jingthmu jong Jingiakop chess, kalong ban saindur but ban say yakirang but thei-lud ban shakane jingialehkai proh jabieng. Lympung iakop, pynyaid Henrych D Sangma, Secretary jongka SWGHDCA, but Reverend Sister Sonitha Marak, Principal St. Mary's School, plie kongsan da kaba pyniaid nyngkong upon. Haka open category ka Chongkimbea Sangma na St. Clarence School Ampati, but Garo D Sangma na Badal Kona Secondary School kila Henrych D but ra yaka Samla-Lud. Haka under 9 category Usendu Sangma na St. Clarence School Ampati, but Larry R Sangma na Rerapara Memorial Secondary School Garo kila yo sanpon badra yakabuskid. Kadba haka under 12 category Arish R Marak na Rerapara Memorial Secondary School Garo but Flora R Marak na St. Dominic Xavier School Garo but Diani CH Marak na Suntown English School kila ra yakajingjam.
Mona da long sokopa ya St. Mary's School ni principal na tentang
St. Mary's School. I also ask pardon from the organizers and the players for the inconveniences caused due to lack of proper infrastructure. Though these things are there, but I am sure this will not prevent anyone from playing.
Hai pelanggan dapat dok namo. Hai dapat dok namo.
I am delighted to declare the Inter-School District Chess Tournament of 2024 open now.